So here we have a PDF document in Adobe Acrobat DC, and we know that we can go to File, Properties, Fonts, and we see that we've got Calibri, Cambria Maths, Century Gothic and Symbol fonts. But the question arises, where are these fonts actually used in this document? One thing we can do, we know, is we can just click on highlight text and it shows us that that is Calibri, that is Century Gothic, that is Century Gothic, that is Century Gothic. But supposing we wanted to know where is, for example, the Cambria Math typeface in this document, doing an exhaustive search is going to be ridiculously slow. But there is a quick way of doing this. So we go to Tools, scroll down, Print Production, and then Pre-Flight. And then we go to Options, Create Profile, and we can put a title for this profile. So we'll say, call it Find All Occurrences of Cambria Font. We don't click OK because we've got this stuff here on the left menu that's come up. We go down to Custom Checks, click that. Under this blank white box, Custom Checks in this profile, we click Add to add a new custom check. Then we click Font under Group and Base Font Name under Property. When we click Base Font Name, the Add button comes up and we click Add. We now need to change this drop down from Begins With to Contains, and then we put in the name of the font we want here, Cambria. Click OK, click OK. So we've now got a new custom profile called Find All Occurrences of Cambria Font. I'll just move this to the left a bit. And we can click Analyze to run that. It finds 30 matches on 3 pages. So if I expand that, it lists the matches, each occurrence of Cambria font. On page 7, 8 and 9 we see. So to find the first one, we just click on it. The Show button comes up, we click that. It navigates us to the page it's concerned, and we can see that it is this W that is in Cambria font, because it's highlighted in red. And if we click on the next one, it's the slash, and the next one is that. And if we go down a bit, we'll find it's the other one down there. So we now know that Cambria font, Cambria Math font, is used for these watts per meter squared things only. Well, you'd have to examine all the other ones to discover that, but every single occurrence is listed here. And that pre-flight check is still there, will stay there forever, so that if I wanted, for example, to find all occurrences of Calibri font, which I've already done, made that before, I can do that. And it finds 6 matches on 2 pages. First one is that. Second one is that. Page 5, what is it doing in page 5? 80 degrees C. I don't think I can. Can I do? I can do. Yes, it's 80 degrees C, but we can't see the highlighting on it. But it is there. So that's how you do it. One point I should add is that when we created this custom profile, we changed the default drop-down from Begins With to Contains. The reason for that is that if your document has fonts which have an embedded subset, as this document does, Acrobat will store the font name internally with a random 5-letter prefix in front of it, so that if you were to search for begins with Cambria, it would not find it. So that's why you change it to the begins with to contains. Hope that's helpful.